why people invest in Westlands, but I'll start with the connectivity or accessibility. The area is highly connected to tarmac roads, such as Mogotio Road. You have Mudidi Road. On the farthest end, you have Westlands Road, Rafter Road, Wayaki Way, and the Expressway, which are the major roads, and also James Gishuru Road. Hence, you can access the airports and the SGR within 15 to 20 minutes from any part in Westlands. There are several projects. I'll mention just but a few. GTC, which is ready for occupation and for sale, selling as low as 25 million for the one bed, all the way to 53 million for the three beds. Right next to GTC, you have Gross Venner, which is a project by the Chinese, and they have 1 and 2 beds. They have different typologies, but the prices start from 7.9 million for the one bed and around 12.5 million for the two beds. Okay. As you walk along Westlands Road, you'll find Skyline, that is next to Diamond Bay, and Skyline offers studio, 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. The prices start from 6.8 million, offering a 3 years payment plan, as the project will be ready by July 2028. Next to Skyline, you have Diamond Bay. That is a project coming up very fast and offers very spacious units of 1 and 2 bedrooms. And the prices start from 8.8 million. And the good thing about this project, they give you placing 5% deposit and the rest in 3 years, as the project will be ready by July 2027. And as you head up along Westlands Road, you will find Emerald Spring that is growing faster than grass during the rainy season. The project is also selling like a hotcake, given that it is 81% sold out, and the project still has about 13 months to go to completion. Of the 450 units, it means you can only get about 50 or 60 units there. And they have 1 and 2 bedroom apartments selling from 8 million all the way to 12.5 million for the 2 bedroom. Such as City Rise is coming up along Mogucho Road that offers 2 and 3 bedroom apartments from 12.6 million. Opposite City Rise residence, you have Luck in Ivy that offers 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. But right ahead, you go to West Oak that has 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments from 8.8 million. So those are just but to mention the many projects coming up along Westlands Road. I started with accessibility. Now allow me to talk about the malls. In GTC, you'll find GTC Mall. Just right ahead along Wayaki Way, you'll find the mall, where you will also find Quickmart opposite. And down along that road, it's called Ring Road Parklands, you'll find the Sarit Center. And right ahead along Peponi Road, you'll find Westgate Mall. That is just to mention, but among the few malls, we also have Westlands Market, that is a government market or the initiative offering a market in Westlands. Actually, for those who still believe in poster, we still have poster in Westlands. So the area has everything that you need. Now allow me to speak about hotels. We have 5-star hotels in Westlands. And speaking of JW Marriott's, Pride Inn, and actually we have 2 Pride Inns. One along Westlands Road and another one along Rafter Road. We have the Sankara Hotel. We have Movenpick Hotel. Movenpick is very well known for giving us very awesome views of the city. And the Alchemist, that is a popular joint for those who love to drink and chill with their loved ones. There are also very many hotels within the malls or fast food spaces within the malls that I mentioned. For your kids' education, we have international schools and primary schools, both kindergartens, primary schools, offering both CBC and the internationally recognized curriculums such as Cambridge, the French schools, and many others, just to mention but a few. We also have Muslim schools and Christian schools if you're looking for a place to take your kids. Another thing that people invest heavily in Westlands is because of the fact that Westlands is a green zone, and thus it hosts people working for United Nations. And the good thing about investing in Westlands Road right now is by 2026, we will have about 4,500 new employees working with the UN, moving to Westlands. Also, Westlands hosts the biggest corporate industry and teleco industry in Kenya. That is Safaricom. It employs several, and it's worth several billions, making hundreds of billions each year for both Kenyans and everyone who lives in Kenya. Another thing is the banking industry is well established within Westlands. We have Stanbic headquarters along Westlands Road, and you can find various branches such as NCBA, DTB branch, Equity, Cooperative Bank within various malls and within various office blocks found within Westlands. For those that are religious, you find a church or a place to worship your gods. We have PCA Church, we have ACK, Baptist Church, Catholic Church, and within walking distance or driving distance along Wayaki Way, you'll find a mosque, and you'll also find a lot of mosques in Parklands. And for your health matters, we have Shah Hospital, you have Doctors Plaza just within Westlands, we have Shah Hospital. I mean, we have a lot of hospitals. Did I mention Aga Khan Hospital? Because they also have a very big branch in Westlands. They are hospital inpatients and a lot of pharmacy chemists within Westlands for your medical requirements, and also specialists. Lastly, allow me to talk about security within Westlands. The area is quite secure. Also, the apartments within Westlands come with the security features such as CCTV cameras, intercom, and Amand gates, just to ensure that you and or your tenants are very safe within Westlands. And lastly, the area is highly accessible from all the corners of the world. That is, I mentioned the airport is 15 minutes away. You can access Kiambu Road, you can access Nakuru, you can access Mombasa. You can access anywhere when you're in Westlands, just within a few minutes. So if you want to know how you can invest in Westlands, kindly contact me via +254 703 460 686, or you can follow my TikTok channel at Isaac the Realtor, my YouTube channel, Avenue Scope Limited, my X channel, that is Isaac Mbogwa, and my Facebook and Instagram channel, Isaac Idua. I talk about real estate, I speak fluent real estate, and I'll match you with your perfect real estate investments. Thank you. Till next time.